Here we don't have minimums. One shirt's a minimum. We have wholesale customers we've been selling to for a number of years. Obviously, Amazon's one of the bigger customers, along with Walmart, that we do at the marketplace level, so that's our main customer base. Our plant actually in Madison Heights here uses 4 main technologies to produce product. We use a solvent-based printer to make our stickers and things like that go with our print-on-demand shirts. We also have a sublimation process, which is a 2-part process that we perform here and in Salt Lake City as well. The 3rd process is our helix or ink cup process that is a ultraviolet print-on-demand. And obviously our Moneymaker, which is the Kornits out there, which do a great job for us.
It's simple to use, it's easy to train, and with effective people on it, the output's amazing.
I like my machines to be able to do the pre-treat and the print all in one step.
If I'm running t-shirts, I can get out 60 an hour. If it's a white shirt with no white background, I can probably push about 74, 75 an hour.
Our customer service rates are higher and we're having less customer complaints, which is resulting less returns. And our business returns are not a good thing because we can't sell a shirt again.
The engineering from Kornit and the response from Kornit overall on changing some of the systems, making modifications to it, and allowing us to advance the technology with them really makes a partnership exciting to me.
And in 2007, we got our first Kornit machine, and it really transformed our business because we didn't have to rely on stocking all these designs. We were able to release 500 designs that we printed on demand, had hold no inventory other than the blanks, and it really transformed the way we do business. Now we're up to 50,000 licensed designs. We started with 500 back in 2007, so we've grown the catalog quite a bit.
One of the biggest things I think that any customer should think about when they're looking at who to partner with to do direct-to-garment manufacturing is who has the technology, who supports the technology, who is continuing to advance the technology. And one name sticks out every single time, and that's Kornit.